Part 5. Injection molding. Injection molding process is used for manufacturing of plastic parts where the opening is wider than the body. As to release the article, the punch has to move out from the cavity, and if the opening is smaller than the body width, the punch will not be able to take out. The article have openings smaller than the body are normally produced with the blow molding process. Let us look at the injection molding process. This process starts with plastic extrusion followed by the molten material injected into the gap of punch and cavity of the injection mold. Then, while preparing for the next injection shot, the injected material is being cooled by circulation of chilled water through the cooling channel in the mold. Once the article is solid, it is taken out of the mold and the next shot will be injected. The popular type of injection molding are hot runner and cold runner. What is the runner? A runner is a channel cut into the mold that allows plastic material to flow from the nozzle to the cavity. Cold runner molding. Cold runner is a traditional system where the molten plastic is injected through the nozzle into the cavities, and the pathway, which is called as runner, is to be trimmed off or separated once the shot is ejected after the whole shot cools down. Nowadays, robotic arms are being used to pick the articles being molded and stack in a required manner with the required quantity, and no manpower is required on that machine physically. The runners will be grounded and mixed with the virgin material in specific ratio and being used. This system is used in below products. Number 1, where the production is low or article is large size or heavy weight. Number 2, material used is not critical and the leftover runners can be grinded and reused. Number 3, the article color is in dark nature and will give no or normal effect if regrind material is being used. Number 4, low budget setup. Applications: large auto parts, large paint and lube containers, and furniture etc. Hot runner systems. Hot runner is a modern age system where the molten plastic is injected through the nozzle into the cavities through the heated pathway up to the cavity end. As only the article area is being cooled and the pathway is hot, leftover molten material is used for next shot, and unlike cold runner system, there is no runner waste which has to be grinded and reused. This system is used in below products. Number 1, high quantity and high speed production. Number 2, product produced with a costly raw material and mechanical properties of the products are crucial. By mixing regrind may affect the consistency in the mechanical properties. Number 3, aesthetic look is a key criteria and mixing regrind may affect the consistency in the aesthetic look. For example, color, gloss, flow lines etc. Number 4, budget is not key criteria in the project.